In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube full screen mode in case yours is not working. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. If you're watching YouTube on your phone and you can only see this small screen at the bottom, but you're not able to make it full screen like so, I will show you how to make your screen full again. The first thing we're going to try is to select the title of our YouTube video and we're going to drag it down. If this works for you, this should automatically create a full screen on YouTube for you. If this is not working, what we can try is to restart our YouTube app. To do that, if you have an iPhone, what you will do is to drag up the screen of your phone and then you will delete the YouTube page. Then you will go back to YouTube and you will open up a video, tap on the little square at the bottom and see if that works now. If none of those things worked, what we are going to do is to simply turn off our phone and restart it, because this could hopefully solve the problem.